Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to host a website on Ionos. First, once you're logged in, go to the top and click on the menu. You'll see a list of options including hosting. Go ahead and click on that. If you don't see the hosting option, click on Add Product. This will redirect you to a page where you can browse available services. Scroll down until you find the Web Hosting section. Now choose the hosting plan that fits your needs. For example, you can select a WordPress plan like WordPress Grow. You may also see a free trial option. Just toggle it on if available, then click Order. After completing your order, go back and click on Hosting again. Once you're redirected, you'll need to choose how you want to set up your website. Select Install Application, then choose WordPress since it's one of the most popular and beginner-friendly options. Click Install and Ionos will automatically set up the required databases for you. You can choose between Managed WordPress or setting it up manually. If you pick Managed WordPress, just add it to your cart, agree to the terms, and complete your order. Once that's done, you'll see a pop-up showing that your setup is being processed. Wait about 20 to 30 seconds for it to complete. After that, click on Go to New Product, then again select Install Application and choose WordPress Install. Now you'll go through the setup process. Enter your project name, then click Next. Create your admin username and password and click Next again. After that, select the domain you want to connect to your website, then click Next. Review your details, project name, admin user, and domain, and then click on Install WordPress. The installation will begin. Just give it a few minutes to complete. Once it's done, your website will be successfully hosted and you can start designing and customizing it right away. Quick tips. Choose a hosting plan based on your needs. Don't overpay for features you won't use. Use strong admin credentials to keep your site secure. Always connect the correct domain before installing WordPress. After setup, install a theme and essential plugins to get started faster. And that's it. That's how to host a website on Ionos.